Hi, you guys. Welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and with me today to finish off the back handspring series, I have Lila. This is step 3, which is the block and the finish of the back handspring.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So first we'll want to feel what it feels like to block. So start facing the wall with your hands up. If you start closer to the wall, it's going to be a little bit easier to allow for you to really feel it. Arms are up. Lila's going to push the wall away and lift her arms. Yep. And do it again. And now she's going to take a step back. It'll be a little more difficult. And push. Nice. And she's going to slowly work her way backwards to make it more and more difficult and create a stronger and stronger blocking motion. Nice, just like that. Good job. Once you have the blocking motion down, you can add it into an upside down handstand next to a wall. Yep, it's okay. All the way up. And then controlled and push through your hands and lift. Nice. And then as you get better and better, you can put step 2, the stretch to hollow, with step 3, the block and finish. So scoot away from the wall a little bit. Have that arch, yep. And she's gonna push through, yep, just like that. That was awesome. All right, once you feel comfortable with the series, you have all the parts of the back handspring down, check out my how to spot a back handspring video when you're ready to put all 3 together and give it a go at that back handspring. Thanks for joining us in this series. Thank you, Lila, for helping me out once again. If you would like to continue to get all of these at-home tumbling tips, especially right now when we're in quarantine and gyms might not be open and you want to keep progressing, make sure to hit subscribe. I would love to see some of the skills that you're working on at home, so give me a comment or check out my social media.
Bye.
Bye.